All right. Good morning mga ka-ISMs and welcome back to ICCSF Season 2 Women's Volleyball Finals. And this is the game 2 of this season, Season 2 ICSF Season 2 Women's Volleyball. And Sagility leads Kerlon 1-0. This is the best of 3 series and so Carolina needs to win this if they want to still be in the game for this final series. And kailangan pong panalunin nila itong game na to para magkaroon po ng do or die for a game 3. And nakikita nyo naman our Carolina team is doing their warm-ups and let's see if Carolina can get them back or can get back on this best of three series in this final. So, mamaya-maya po makikita natin magwa-warm up ang agility. So, standby lang kayo dyan mga ka-ISMs. And salamat po sa pagsabay nyo sa amin if nanonood kayo. Um, Sana po masarap ang inyong mga ulam ngayong tanghalian. At dalhan nyo po kami sana dito. We're at Green Meadows and you're always welcome to go here to see them play live. And magbabalik po kami mga ka-ISMs sa mas sandali lang. Magbabalik po tayo once Agility takes on their warm-ups. And we will be back. And we are back mga ka-ISMs and makikita natin ngayon na Sagility has take on the court for to do their warm-ups. And nakikita natin bago ang jersey ng ating Sagility team. And Sagi Acers ang nakalagay sa kanilang mga uniform. So they're really prepared para sa finals na to, no? Nagpagawa pa sila talaga ng bagong uniforme para lang sa finals na to. And tingnan natin kung they will live up to that expectation to win game 2 of this final series for this ICCSF season 2. And we have same faces for agility, no? We have Bea Lagana, um, Ina de Fiesta, we have Dalanon, we have Dare Setter, um, and we have Escorjal, and we also have the same team members for agility in this finals, and we'll see during the game what will happen kung makukuha ba nila ngayong game 2 ang finals na to. Are they gonna be going all out or Kerlon will go all out and get this game 2 of this finals? Good serve. Magno. Laganya with an attack. Denaga with a dig. Ofilenya to set. Magno sets for Laganya. Laganya attacks and it's in for Laganya. What an attack by Laganya and what a game for Laganya in this first set. And we want to shout out to Kyla RMS, Go Kerlon, Go Ate April Daciado Osano, and Ate Jubilin Kylie Blanca Tupas, Go Love Lindsay Dinaga, and Ryan Paul Esmores Oro, Migo, mayong hapon, guwapo ang boses ba? Siyempre. Good dig by Escordial. Magno says for Laganya and it's in. And another attack gets in for Laganya. And another score for Sagility. That's already 13. 13-10 is the official score. Galing po sa talaan natin yan. Official talaan. Sabido with a serve. Denaga with a dig. Hegira. Hofilenya. Good save. Denaga sets for Osano. Good dig by Sabido. Here comes Laganya with another attack, but it's out. And that's a score for Kerlon. Good patience for Team Kerlon here. Hindi sila nawawala ng pag-asa na ibalik ang bola. Good serve there for Hegira. Here comes Laganya with another attack, but it's out. Medyo forceful yung attack na yon and wala sa pwesto yung palo ni Bea Laganya doon. Kaya outside yung bola. Hegira with another serve. Good serve by Hegira. Good save by Laganya. Dalanon with a return. Hegira. Denaga with a set to Osano. Good attack by Osano but it was interrupt by Sabido. Here comes Hofilenya. Osano with a return. Ang ganda ng balikan ng bola. Eto na naman Dalanon. Eto na naman si Laganya. Ang ganda ng balik ng bola. Arcede with a soft touch. Magno with an attack. Magno with a set to Laganya and an attack goes in. That's 14-12 already. Leading Sagility 14-12. Laganya to serve. Good serve by Lagay. Arcedes was able to dig it in. Dinaga to Arcede with an attack. And no one was able to save the ball there. And balik ang score sa Sagility. 15-12. Tatlo na naman po kalamangan dito ng Sagility. 13-12. Laganya with a serve. Hofilenya. Dinaga with a set. Hofilenya returns it. Magno sets for Escordial. Good dig by Hofilenya. Denaga sets for Osano with an attack. Good dig by Sabido. Short yung balik na yon ni Arcede. And that's a score for Sagility. 16-12. I'm sorry for the score. 16-12 is the score. Official score. Galing po sa official na talaan natin. Laganya with a serve. Good serve. Escordial. Magno says for Escordial. Good attack. Dinaga was not able to save it. 17-12. Lima na po ang lamang dito ng Sagility dito sa first set. And mga ka-ISEPs, if you're just tuning in, this is the game 2 for the Women's Volleyball Finals. Sagility versus Kerlon. And Sagility leads 1-0. Laganya, good attack by a good serve by Laganya and it's a service ace. 18-12 is the score. Sagility leads by 6 points. And it's a timeout called for Kerlon dito sa first set na to. And Kerlon will regroup and plan another strategy on how to get back to this first set. And we will be right back mga ka-ISEMs after this. And we are back mga ka-ISMs. You are still with Kuis Bing here in this Saturday afternoon. And magandang tanghali po sa lahat. This is Carlon versus Agility, Game 2 of the finals. Agility leads 1-0. Good serve by Lagana. Denaga sets for Osano. Good dig by Lagana there. Good defense. Escorjan returns it. Denaga, sinet. Papalo Osano. Pasok yung palo na yun ni Osano and Kerlon gets the score. Osano, isa-serve ang bola. Good serve, pero out ang tawag ng officials. It was way too on the side. Shout out to shout out to Joanna Martires, Goes Agility, watching from Concepcion. Shout out dyan sa mga taga Concepcion. And another score for Sagility. 2013, 7-point lead for Sagility in this first set. Shout out also to Ruby Lynn, Gabinete, Magno, Go Tattoo, Sagility. What an attack there by number 14. Arcede to the with a block pero net was touched. So balik ang bola sa Kerlon and the score goes to Kerlon. 6-point lead remaining or 6-point lead ang kalamangan na sa Agility. Denaga to serve. And shout out also to Leslie Villaruz. Goes Agility. So thank you so much mga ka-ISIS for watching. Magno says for Dalanon. Dalanon attacks. It was blocked by Arcede pero so malakas yung pagkakapalo ni Dalanon kaya hindi na block na maayos and it goes in for Dalanon on that attack. Dalanon with a serve. Good dig by Osano. Good return by number 14. Magno sets for a Escorjal. And it's a score for Sagility. 20-14. 7-point lead. 20-14 is the score. And it's an 8-point lead for Sagility in this first set. Dalanon with a serve. Good dig by Osano. Hofilenya sets to Arcede. Magno sets for Escorjal with an attack pero medyo alanganin siya doon. So hindi po pumasok yung attack na yon. And shout out to Kyla RMS. Go Love. Lindsay Dinaga. So go Love, Love. And Ivan Kaizel Evangelista goes Teams Agility. Go Escorjal Juniora. Yun naman. Thanks for the love. And another score goes to Kerlon, 22-16. 6-point lead for Sagility. Arcede to serve. Good running serve by Arcede. Lagana was able to stop it. Number 14. Hofilenya to Higira. Escorjal pass to Magno. Arcede. Hofilenya returns. Magno sets for Escorjal with an attack. Good dig by Denaga. Hofilenya to number 14. Good soft touch pero napigilan. Sabido with a return. Arcede with a return. Buhay pa rin po ang bola and ang ganda po ng balikan ng bola dito. Magno. Sabido with an attack and gumapang yung bola sa net and it is a score for Sagility. 23-16 is the score. 2 more points to get the first set for Sagility. Escorjal to serve. Good serve by Escorjal. Osana was able to dig. Hegira. Lagana. Magno sets for Lagana. Another attack. Good block. And it's double touch or a score for Sagility. So naalanganin doon si Hegira. So a set point for Sagility. Escorjal to serve. And it's out. So may chance pang makahabol dito yung Kerlo, no? If they run, if they go ahead and run uh, ng 7 beses, eh makakatay pa sila ng 24. So, need nilang makuha itong score na to. Sabi do, sets for Laganya. Good block by Higira. And another attack by Laganya, and it was not and Kerlon was not able to stop it, and that ends the set. 25-17. Agility gets the set. And sa shoutout muna tayo before tayo pumunta sa ating mga ads. Nikki Divino Teves, go Sabido. Shoutout sa iyo. Nikki, thank you for watching. And Kyla RMS, Laban Kerlon. So thank you so much for those comments and those love. And we will be back, makaka-items, after this. And the lineup is complete for the second set. And sa mga hindi po nakaabot sa first set natin, first set was taken by Sagility 25-17. Carolyn fell short of that set. Let's see dito sa second set if makakabawi sila. Uh, and I think lineup is all complete for each team. And Sagility serving. Laganya will serve for Sagility. Bea Laganya to serve. Good serve by Laganya. Good dig by Osano. Dinaga. Out ang tawag ng referee do sa balik ni Arcede na yon. 1-0 is the score. Shout out Rubilin Gabinete. Magno goes Agility for the win. Go Magno. Libayon Kura. Uy, friends pala sila talaga. And a score, a service ace for Lagana. Good dig by Hofilenya. Higira returns. Arcede returns it back pero hindi na nakayanan. And that's another score for Sagility. 3-0 is the score. Mga kailangan ng Kerlon mag-come up with something here. And that's a service error by Bea Lagana. 3-1 is the score. Official score galing po sa talaan natin. Dinaga serving. Good serve and service ace for Dinaga. Kerlon is determined para makabawi dito. Shout out Kyla RMS. Go Dinaga. So thank you so much for the feedback. Good serve there. Escorjal with a miss in returning the ball back. And that's a score for Kerlon. It's now tied to 3 with Dinaga serving. Dinaga with another serve. Good serve. Magno sets for Escorjal. Returns pero hindi na nakaya na i-return yon dahil parang alanganin si Escorjal doon and Kerlon gets the score 4-3. Thank you so much Carla IMS for the 10 stars. We really appreciate it. And Alona Gracel, yap, Miss Alona, magandang tanghali po sa'yo and thank you for watching. Go sa Agility, shout out po. And Dinaga with another score there. So Kerlon leads 2 points, 5-3. And out, a service error for Dinaga. Go, sabi ni Kyla RMS, go love. Uy, nangangamoy pag-ibig. Escorjal with an attack. Hegira with a block. Arcede returns. Escorjal passes to Lagana. To Escorjal again. Good dig by Hegira. Osano. And Hofilenya. And Barsales was not able to get it back. Nagsabay sila doon. And that's a score for Sagility. 5-all is the score. Magno with a serve. Good serve. Denaga sets for Arcede with an attack. Good block by Dalanon. Pero may score na tinawag double touch ang tawag ng referee. So that's a score for Sagility. 6-5 is the score. Magno with a serve. Good serve. Hofilenya with a dig. Denaga sets for Hofilenya. Hofilenya brings it back. Dalanon. Soft touch and it's a score for Dalanon. Good communication there by Sagility. Here comes another serve for Magno. Good serve. Hegira with a dig. Dinaga sets for Hofilenya. And it's a score for Sagility. Tumama ata si Hofilenya dun sa net. So that's a score for Sagility. 8-5 is the score. Tatlo na naman ang lamang na Sagility dito. Hofilenya digs it. Dinaga sets for Arcede. Soft touch pero short. Yung balik na yon ni Arcede. So Kerlon is getting a lot of errors in the second set, no? With the short attacks and return errors. But I think they are still determined to get this set and they will regroup. Shout out kay Ina de Fiesta, Go Teams Agility for the trophy, for the win. So shout out, thank you so much Ina. And magbabalik po kami mga ka-ISM. Stay tuned lang po in this very intense game and we will be back. And we are back mga ka-ISMs after that short break and short time out. Shout out sa 16 million viewers all over the world. And please do comment on our comment box or chat box. And if you want to shout out, kung gusto niyo mga shout outs, post lang po tayo para ma-shout out natin. Dinaga sets for Barzales, Magno digs, Dalanon, sets for Laganya, Laganya returns it. Good dig by Osano, Dinaga, sets for Arcede, out for Arcede. And it's another score for Sagility. 10-5 is the score. Sagility leading by 5. Magno with a serve. Nice serve. Hofilenya digs. Dinaga to Hofilenya. Good save by the libero. Laganya brings it back. Hofilenya. Balikan na naman po ng bola. Ang ganda ng attack na yun. Magno set kay Escordial. Pumalo. And out ang tawag ng referee. And score for Kerlon. Buti na lang hindi tinamaan yung bola dun sa return na yon ni Hegira. Kung hindi, score na naman dito si Sagility. Arcede with a running serve. Good serve. Magno. Sinet kay Laganya. Pumalo. Dinaga. Hegira. Binalik ang bola. Laganya. Sinet. Dalanon. Pumalo. Outside. And mukhang unti-unting bumabawi dito ang Kerlon. 10-7 is the score. Ito ngayon, Arcede. Running serve. Good serve. Good dig by Laganya. Magno. Sinet kay Laganya. Pumalo. And Barzales, hindi na kayanan yung palo na yon. And a score for Sagility. Dalanon serving for Sagility. Good serve. Good defense by Osano. Ito nga, Hegira returns it. Magno, sinet na naman kay Escordial. Umatake. Arcede. Hegira umatake. Good attack by Hegira. Good save by Dalanon. Laganya, sends back. Dinaga, sinet na naman. Hofilenya, umatake. Pero mahina. And ang score, pumunta kay Sagility. Maganda yung ginagawa ng depensa ng Kerlon. Kaso yung mga balik nila, doon sila nagkaka-error. So, kailangan nilang ma-avoid yung mga ganong error, no? Dinaga kay Hofilenya. Ayun na naman yung sinasabi ko na short or yung mga return errors na yon na dapat iniiwasan. Pero hindi natin na mapipigilan. It was an unforced error. Mali yung timing ni Hofilenya doon. And 13-7 na ang score. 6 ang kalamangan na sa Agility. Ganda ng return ni Osano doon. And Hegira with a attack. And it's in for Kerlon. Barzales. Serves. Good serve. Escordial digs. Magno. To number 11. Attacks. Barzales. Pinasa kay Hofilenya. Hofilenya returns the ball. Magno. Sinet kay Escordial. Pumalo. Good dig by Barzales. Good attack again by good attack by Escordial. Pero ang ganda ng depensa ni Arcede doon. Nakala nila tumama na sa semento yung bola pero hindi pa. And doon sila nagkamali. At ang score pumanig na naman dito kay Sagility. 14-8 ang score dito sa second set. Escordial pumalo ng serve. Arcede, ang ganda ng depensa. Osano, attacks. Good attack. Pero ang ganda ng save ni... Oy! Ground ball na. ang tawag ni Coach Mildred. So that's 14-9 ang score. Lima ang kalamangan dito ng Sagility. Hofilenya, good serve. Magno. Hofilenya, good attack. Escordial, saves. Sabido, returns the ball. Good save by Osana. Hegira with an attack. Magno sets for Laganya. Laganya returns it, but it's short. And pumanig ang score dito kay Kerlon. Apat na lang po kalamangan ni Sagility dito sa second set na to. Hofilenya, good serve. Sabido. Magno was not able to get it. And that's a score for Kerlon. Tatlo na lang ang lamang dito ng Sagility, 11-14. And it's a 4-0 run already. Hofilenya, service error. Kalimutan will serve for Sagility. Good serve. Hegira. Dinagap. Sets for Hegira pero medyo alanganin. Laganya. Magno sets for Laganya. Another attack and a good attack by Laganya. Going towards Arcede. 16-11 is the score. Lima ang lamang ng Sagility. Kalimutan with a serve. And it's still in for Kalimutan and a service ace. Kerlon needs to come up with a strategy here para makabawi. Kalimutan. Good dig by Barsales. Denaga to Hegira. Magno sets for Laganya again. And another attack towards Arcede. Laganya scores another one for Sagility. It's a 7-point lead or 7-point lead already for Sagility in the second set. Kalimutan with the serve. Good serve. Arcede was able to stop it. Marsales to Osano. Laganya. Magno sets for Laganya again. Another attack to Arcede. Talagang inaatake dito ni Laganya si Arcede. Kanina pa yon mula sa kabila hanggang dito sa kabila. Talagang doon niya pinapapunta yung bola. Kalimutan and Arcede was not able to get that serve and it's a service ace for Kalimutan and 20-11 is the score. A 9-point lead for Sagility dito sa second set. And shout out to Alona Grazel Yap, Inaiya, go best Catedrilla Laganya with strong arms flexing. Ma'am Alona, shout out and thank you for the 50 stars. We really appreciate it. And thank you always for the support. And mga ka-ISEMs, we will be back in the second set. 9-point lead for Sagility. And yes, we are back mga ka-ISEMs. Still in the second set, Sagility leads 9 points against Kerlon. Kat, number 11 serves, Denaga, sets for Osano, returns. Ang ganda ng return ni sabi no, muntik pang sumabit. Osano with an attack. Magno says for Laganya again and it's out. Talagang pinupuntir yan, Laganya, si Arcede, no? Pero sa pagkakataon na yon, sobra yung attack ni Laganya na yun. Hegira will serve for Kerlon. Good serve. Laganya dives to save the ball. And the libero, nagulat siya. Inintay niya pa tumayo si Laganya. And that's a score for Kerlon dahil outside yung tawag ng officials. 13-20 is the score. Hegira serving for Kerlon. Good serve. And what a save by Laganya. Escordial gets it back. Denaga to Arcede. Magno to Laganya. Good dig by Hegira. Osano returns it. Sabido. Magno sets for Laganya again. Good attack. And the blocker, Arcede, was not able to block it. 21-13 is the score. Sabido to serve. Good serve. Good return by Hofilena. Magno sets for Dalanon. Laganya, soft touch. Dinaga sets for Arcede. An attack. Sabido. Escordial was able to get it. Dinaga sets again for Arcede. Good touch. Magno sets for Laganya pero sobra yung set na yon. And that's a score for Kerlon. 14-21 is the score in the second set. Mga ka-ISEMs, you're still with Kuis being here with this intense game between Sagility and Kerlon. Dalanon. Denaga to Barsales. Good attack by Barsales. Good save by Kalinungan. Barsales digs. Denaga sets for Arcede. Attacks. Laganya was able to get it. Magno sets for Laganya. Good dig by Hofilenya. Buhay pa rin po ang bola mga kaibigan. Arcede binalik ang bola. Magno was able to save it. Laganya attacks. Good dig by Hofilenya. Denaga to Arcede. Umatake and wala po. Tinamaan ang bola outside. (22-14) is the score. Good stop there by Barsales. Arcede passes to Barsales. Barsales sobra. Outside ang tawag ng referee. 22-23 is the score. For 23-14 is the score. Escordial with an attack. Pero sobra. Maganda yung intention pero sumobra yung atake niya doon. Maganda yung intention na doon sa gitna kasi libre-libre pero sobra. So 15-23 is the score. Magno sets for Dalanon with an attack. Good save, Denaga. Good attack by Osano. Sabido. And hindi mali. Nagkamali doon yung libero, no? It's a return error for Kerlon and that's a score for Sagility. Set point here for Sagility. Arcede with a return. Denaga. Arcede gives to Hofilenya. Laganya returns it. Dalanon with a top. Katalongan. Dalanon with an attack and it's short. Score na naman po ni Kerlon. 16-24. So kung titingnan nyo, mga kaibigan, kaya-kaya pa bumawi ni Kerlon dito. 7 pa ang kalamangan ng sa agility. Pero with the way that they are playing in this crunch time in the second set, kaya nilang bawiin. They just have to avoid those errors na nangyayari kanina. And good service ace there by Arcede. Arcede again to serve. Running serve. Good serve by Arcede. Laganya was able to dig it. Laganya returns it. Ofilenia. Denaga sets for Higira. Sabido. Magno sets for Escordial. Good dig by Osano. Ofilena. Magno sets. Escordial attacks. And hindi na nag-alangan doon si Arcede, and that set goes to Sagility 25-18, and that's 2-0 in this game 2 of the best of 3 series in this women's volleyball finals. And magbabalik po tayo for the third set, mga ka-ISEMs. Stay tuned. And we are back, mga ka-ISEMs. This is the start of the third set. And Kerlon, kailangan nila makabawi dito sa set na to and makuha itong set na to kung gusto pa nilang magtagal itong series na to. Kasi pag hindi, alam na, sa agility will again be defend. eh, Again, pag nanalo sila rito, champion na naman sila dito sa season na to. And again, they are season 1 champions and that's back-to-back champions for Sagility Women. And shout out kay Kang Rixie. Congratulations girls. Let's go sa last set. Team Soar High. And thank you sa comment. Shout out sa iyo, Kang, Miss Kang or Ma'am Kang. Carlon to serve Hopelenia. Good serve. Dalanon. Bagno. Escordial returns it. Dinaga, sinet para kay Arcede. Good attack, Magno. Escordial umatake. Dinaga. Set kay Osano and score for Carlon. The patience has paid off for Carlon in that play. And good play by Osano there. Hofelenia to serve again. Good serve. Dalanon. Magno. Ito Escordial. Escordial. Good block by Gira pero lumusot pa rin yung bola. And itong si Escordial is small but terrible dun sa mga situation na gano'n. Magno serves. Good serve. Dinaga. Osano. Attacks. Good attack. Escordial pinasa kay Kalimutan. Dinaga. Sinet. Hegira pumalo. And pasok yung palo na yon. That's 2-1 in this third set. Maaga pa pero kailangan maging ganun lang yung play ng Kerlon para makabawi sila. Shout out kay Lizel Villaruz. Go for the last set sa agility. April Gates de Ocampo La Cuesta. Go sa agility. Go Kerlon. Yahoo ba? Balimbing ka, Toy. Shout out sa'yo, AM April. Dalanon serving. Good serve by Dalanon pero short yung serve na yon. And it's a service error for Sagility. And that's a score for Kerlon. Ang opisyal na talaan natin 2-3 in favor of Kerlon. Good serve. Magno kay Escordial. Hegira. Ay, Hofelenia pala. Missed that one. It should be out already. And maraming salamat, Beshi April. Salamat po, Beshi Foy, for the 10 stars. And we really appreciate the support. 3-4 is the score in favor of Kerlon. Ang ganda ng attack na yun, pero na-stop ng Kerlon. Hofelenia with an attack. Bagno. Arcede with another attack, and it's in for Kerlon. Arcede, good save. Hofelenia returns. Bagno sets for Lagana. Here's another one, and it's out. Good awareness do sa backline ng Kerlon. They saw the ball, pero nakita nila na parang sa sobra, so pinabayaan na nila, and it's a score for them. Osano with a serve. Good serve. Short, pero na-save ni Lagana, and sobra na yung touches doon, and that's a score for Kerlon. So medyo umaarangkada dito si Kerlon sa first part of the third set. And they are already communicating. Osano with a serve pero short. Service error there for April Osano. 4-7 is the score. Good serve. Good dig. Osano returns it. Sabido. Magno sets for Laganya pero alanganin. And dahil sa alangan, napunta ang score kay Carolon 8-4. And sabi ni AM Foy, ha ha ha, budlay mag-cheer toy. Budlay gini kung duwain mo gina cheer. Di ba? Magno sets. Laganya at soft touch. May Laganya. Good decision to put it just in the middle with a soft touch. Akala ng Kerlon, aatake ng malakas to si Laganya pero nag-isip si Laganya doon. And it's a score for Sagility. 8-5 is the official score. Arcede returns. Sabido, Magno, sets for Laganya. Good soft touch. And short yung return na yun ni Barsales. And dalawa na lang ang lamang ng Sagility dito sa third set. First part of the third set. Sabido, magsaserve. Good service. Protagio was able to dig it. Hofilenya returns the ball. Sabido, Tubagno, Osano, Denaga sets for Arcede with an attack. Good attack by Arcede. And 9-6 is the score and medyo pinulikat doon si Magno. As you can see, um, inaayos nila yung nilalapatan ng first aid o pinipigilan yung pulikat. And we're glad that she is okay. No serious injury happened. So medyo pulikat lang. It happens when, sobrang pagod. Yung mga muscles natin nagko-contract. No? But good to know that Magno is still in good hands. And she is okay. So no injury happened. But still, Arcede will serve and Carolyn is still leading 9-6. Arcede with a running serve. Good serve. Good dive by Laganya. Laganya with an attack. Hofilenya, good dig. Denaga, Sinet para kay Hegira. Good attack. Magno, Sinet para kay Laganya. Umatake. Good block by Hegira. Barsales was able to dig it. And Kalinongan, Magno, binalik. Hegira, binalik ulit. And touching ang tawag ng referee. Rubilin Gabinete Magno, shoutout sa iyo. Hala, okay ka lang? Kaya mura Magno kau pa. Kaya naman, Miss Rubilin. Okay naman siya, so no injury happened, walang serious na nangyari. Pero umiscore ang Sagility dun sa dun sa sitwasyon na yon. And isa na lang ang lamang ng Kerlon dito. 8-9 is the score and it's still in. That ties the ball game at 9 in this third set. Osano coming in. Laganya to serve. Good serve by Laganya. Denaga to Hegira. Hegira short. And yun yung mga iniiwasan dapat ng Kerlon. Yung mga ganong situation. Yung nabibitin yung kanilang return. So it's a return error for Hegira. 10-9. Sagility leading by 1. Good serve by Laganya. Arcede. Good return by Hofilena. Magno sets for Escordial. And it's out. And again, we are tied at 10. Hofilena serves. Good serve and a service ace for her. because of that return error by Kalinongan or number 11. Hopelena with a serve. Good serve. Magno sets. Laganya returns it. Arcede. Denaga sets. Eto, buhay pa rin ang bola. Laganya, na-save na naman. Magno, to Escordial. Pumalo. Buhay pa rin ang bola. Dalanon with a save. Magno sa kay Escordial. Good return. Hofilena, buhay pa rin po ang bola. Good return by both teams here. Dalanon, Osano, Barsales. Osano gets an attack. Dalanon returns it. Hegira, binigay kay Osano, pumalo. Buhay pa rin ang bola, mga kaibigan. Eto nga, Denaga, binigay kay Hegira, Magno, Dalanon, and wala na. Hindi na nakuha ang ibalik para sa agility ang bola. So it was a very intense ball return for both teams. And Kerlon was able to get the point for that situation. And the score is 12-10. Lawang ng dalawa ang Kerlon dito. And we will be back, mga ka-ISEM. Score is 10-12 according to our official talaan. And balik po tayo sa game, mga ka-ISEMs. Again, the score is 10-12 in favor of Kerlon. So medyo nakakabawi na dito sa third set ang Kerlon. No? Dalawa na lamang nila. And Kerlon will serve. Hofelenya to serve for Kerlon. Good serve by Hofelena. Sabido was able to dig it. Magno, sinet para kay Escordial. Hofelena, nakuha ang bola. Arcede with an attack. Laganya was able to stop it. Escordial, another attack. Hofelena, Denaga, sets para kay Hegira. Out ang palo ni Hegira. And that cost them a point. Magno magsaserve para sa agility. Good serve. Osano with an attack to Sabido. Magno sets for Escordial. Escordial returns it. Barsales. Dinaga. Sinet na naman kay Hegira. Kapos ang palo ni Hegira. And that ties the ball game to 12 here in the third set. Magno serves. Good serve. Ofilenya, Denaga, sinet para kay Osano. Short na naman ang attack ng Kerlon. And mukhang nagsisettle in na ang pagod dito para sa Kerlon. 13-12. Magno. Short service error for Magno there. 13 all ang score sa third set na to, and Denaga magsaserve para sa Kerlon. Good serve by Denaga. Magno para kay Dalanon. Barsales was able to dig it. Barsales umatake. Sabido kay Escordial. Hofilena. Denaga. Hegira binalik. Eto na naman. Papalit-palit na naman tayo. Buhay pa ang bola. Hegira umatake. Magno. Escordial with an attack. And wala na. Hindi na nakuha ng Kerlon yung balik na yon. And good save by Laganya sa situation na yon. Defending the ball very well with a dive. 14-13 is the score para sa Sagility. Dalanon magsaserve. Good serve. Barsales. Dinaga Sinet para kay Barsales. Kalimutan. Ang ganda ng dig. Hofilenya. Osano with an attack. Good attack by Osano from Denaga. 14-all is the score. And magsiserve dito ang Kerlon. Good serve by Hegira. Escordial. Muntik pantamaan yung muka. Laganya with a return. Hegira. Binigay kay Dinaga. Sinet para kay Arcede. Magno para kay Escordial. And dalawang tao ang dinaanan ng bola na yon. And that's a score for Escordial. And Sagility gets the point. Escordial serves. Gandang palo. Arcede returns the ball. Escordial. Magno Sinet para kay Laganya. Pumalo pero out. All na ang score. 15-all. Osano will serve for Kerlon. Short ang serve. And it's a service error for Osano there. And that will cost them a point. Kalimutan serves. Denaga. Sinet. Escordial. Binigay kay Magno. Magno sumet para kay Laganya. Another attack. Pero nakascore ang Kerlon doon because of a touch net by Laganya. And mukhang nag-aasaran pa yung dalawang mag-partner. Laganya and Arcede. Barsales to serve. Short. A service error again for Kerlon, which hindi dapat. They have to avoid that service error kasi yun yung nagkukos ng point para sa kanila. Sabido to serve. Good serve. Barsales. Dinaga to Arcede with an attack. And short ang balik ni Dalanon. So it's 17-all. Mukhang hindi magpapatinag ang Kerlon dito. Talagang porsigido sila na kunin ang set na to. Arcede with a running serve. Good serve by Arcede. And Dalanon, hindi masyadong nakuha yung bola na yun. Kalinongan. Arcede. Denaga sets for Hegira. Magno sets for Laganya. And a good tap there by Laganya in the middle. And that's a score for Sagility. What an IQ for Bea Laganya. And shout out to Wilson Empestad Henes, flexing the muscle and Sagility heart. Shout out, Sir Wilson. Good return pero out ang tawag ng ating referee. So it's 19-17 is the score. 2-point lead for Sagility. Laganya will serve. Good serve. Arcede was able to block it. Hofilenya with an attack. Good attack by Hofilenya, and it's an error. Return error for Lagana, and Kerlon will get the service. Hofilenya will serve. Good serve by Hofilenya. Sabido was able to stop it. Dinaga sets for Hegira, but she sets for Osano instead. Lagana to Magno. Magno sets for Dalanon, and it's still in. 2018 is the score. Two-point lead. Magno serving. Good dig. Pero it it was hit by the end of his of her hands, and Kerlon will get a timeout. 21-18 is the score. Sagility leads by 3. And we will be right back, mga ka-ISEMs, after this. And we are back, mga ka-ISEMs. This is the third set in this intense game between Sagility and Kerlon. Sagility leads 21-18. And shout out before we start, Sheila May de los Reyes, go Sagility, go Bebu, and Nang Regine. So shout out sa'yo, Michelle Sheila. And good attack there by Kerlon. 20-21, 19-21 is the score. Dalawa ang kalamangan ng Sagility. Dinaga, magsaserve. Good serve. Lagana. Magno sets for Dalanon. Short! Nabitin si Dalanon doon. And because of that, it cost them the point. 21-20 is the score. June Cyril Mena, let's go Sagility. So shoutout sa'yo, Sir June. Dalanon returns it to Filenya. Dinaga sets for Osano. Good block there by Sabido. Escordial. Dinaga again to Hegira. Short na naman yung soft touch na yon ni Hegira. And ilang beses na nagkaroon si Hegira ng opportunity na gano'n pero short pa rin. Hindi niya matansya kung saan niya papuntahin, kung gaano kalakas siya ibibigay. And that cost them a point. 22-20 is the score. Sagility leads by 2. Dalanon with a serve. Good serve. Dinaga sends it back. Magno sets for Escordial. Another attack. And Dinaga was not able to get it. And that's a score for Sagility. 23-20 is the score. And a timeout is called by Kerlon. 23-20, 3-point lead for Sagility. 2 more points to get the set and to again claim the championship for this season. And we will be back, mga ka-ISEMs, after this. we are back mga ka-SM in this exciting third set. Again, Sagility leads by 2 dito sa set na to and 2 more points or 3 more points or 2 more points to get this set and get or win the ICCSF Season 2 Finals Championship. And pero Kerlon, porsigido pa rin talaga makuha itong set na to para makabawi sila. And the Lanner will serve for Sagility. Good serve. Good dig by Asano. Dinaga. To Barsales, and it's a score. Hegira will serve. Good serve. Laganya. Magno sets for Escordial. Escordial attacks. Good dig by Hegira. Dinaga. Sinet kay Osano. Good attack. Magno. Sinet kay Escordial. Escordial. Arcede. Binalik ang bola. Laganya. Binigay kay Magno. Magno. Sinet kay Escordial. Escordial. Helena. Barsales. Ibinalik ang bola. And a point for Sagility. And 1 more point to get the set for Sagility, 24-21. And Escordial will be the one to give the point to Sagility to win the championship, but she was not able to get it. It's a service error for Escordial. Kerlon still has a chance here to get the 2 points para makatay. Osano with a serve. Good serve. Laganya. Magno. Sesfor Laganya. Good block by Arcede. Laganya again. A good return by Arcede in that situation. A quick return. And 1 more point to tie the ball game here in the third set. Osano with a serve. Good serve. Sabido. And another one for Arcede. Laganya returns it. Dinaga sets. Hofilenya returns it. Good return. Dinaga with a set. Barsales to Hofilenya. Escordial was able to get it. And it's tie. We are tied at 24 in this third set. And Kerlon still has a chance to get this set. 24 all in this third set with that persistent offense and defense by Kerlon. And we will be back mga ka-ISEMs after these messages. And we are back mga ka-ISEMs dito sa third set. 24 all with that good defense and good offense showing by Kerlon. And they still have a chance to get this set. Good serve by Osano. Magno sets for Laganya pero sumobra. And Arcede was able to attack. Dinaga with a set to Arcede again and an attack. Magno sets for Laganya. Here comes another attack by Laganya. Hofilenya was able to stop it. Hofilenya gets it. Magno sets for Laganya again and it's out. And again, Kerlon has still a chance to get this set. They just need to get this 1 more point. This is the set point for Kerlon. Kalimutan. Laganya attacks. Protasio was able to dig it. Escordial gets it. Kalimutan to Laganya. Hofilenya with an attack. Escordial. Magno sets for Laganya. Attacks. Sayang. Sayang yung effort na yon. Nakalimutan nila na walang tao doon. And doon nilaga niya yung bola. 25 all is the score. Kalimutan. Dinaga to Barsales. Good dive by Sabido. Laganya was able to return it. Dinaga. And that's a point for Sagility. One more point to get the set for Sagility. And it's an error from Dinaga. Kalimutan serving. Good serve. Protasio was able to dig it. Dinaga says for Arcede and it's short. And that is the end of Kerlon versus Sagility. Sagility again wins the third set, 27-25, and Sagility defends their crown from the first season of ICCSF, and now they are back-to-back champions in the women's volleyball. Congratulations to the Sagility team, and also congratulations to the Kerlon team for not letting it go. But Sagility has prevailed in this game, and the effort, the persistence, and their willingness to win. And yun yung result na naging champion sila for this season. And that's it for the women's volleyball. Congratulations to Agility team for getting the back-to-back champions for the ICCSF or Intercall Center season or Intercall Center Sports Fest season 2. Congratulations again sa Agility team. And may mga shout-out tayo rito. Elsa Anog, Go 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 Kerlon, Ivan Kizel Evangelista. Shout out to my idol Escordial. Ang galing mo. You're the best, my juniora. Congratulations to the team's agility. Lance! Lance! Ang bilog ng team eh. And also, Wilson Empestan Henes. Congratulations sa agility. And Rubilin Gaminete Magno. Congrats sa agility. So thank you so much all for the support and watching. We really appreciate the time that you put in para samahan kami sa araw na to. And again, thank you so much for the teams that competed for the women's volleyball. And para sa Sagility team na champion for this season. So thank you so much sa stop nag-stop ko. Eh, bilog lang ang team.